What's up, YouTube? It's November and it's 70 degrees. It might be hotter now. When I left it was 70. I think it's supposed to get up to 73. I hope everybody else is having this kind of weather. I guess unless you're up north. So man, it's a beautiful day. So I wanted to take this time to talk about a couple topics. I get asked a lot, like, well, you know, why do you motovlog? And the other topic I wanted to talk about, I'll talk about a little bit later. So the reason I motovlog, originally it was just to you know, share some videos. And actually I shouldn't say it was motovlogging. It was just basically me uploading some videos from an old Sony camera I had, and I had it rigged to my half helmet. There was no audio. I just throw some music in, and then later it turned into voiceover. And then this year I started to, I set up a motovlog helmet. But like I said, originally it was just to share with friends and family on, you know, the trips I take, because I try to take at least 2 long distance trips on my motorcycle a year. I have done 3, but I really just do it for the fun of it. You know, I'm gonna ride just like everybody else. I'm gonna ride, just take the time to, you know, put up a video, edit it, put your own little twist to it, I guess you could say, and just have fun with it. But it actually turned into something more, especially back in September. It gave me an opportunity to meet a couple motovloggers, and you probably saw that video where I went to Bike Fest in Lake of the Ozarks in Missouri. I'll drop a card up in the right for a link for that. And it just kind of changed my perspective on it from that point. I never even thought about, oh, I'm going to meet people, and it was never, gravel. It was never going to be that for me. I honestly just was doing it for fun, and didn't know how long I was going to do it, or if I would enjoy it at all, or get tired of it, or, you know, what have you. But meeting a couple motovloggers, it just kind of changed my perspective on it. It just, honestly, it made me want to meet other motovloggers, which I did actually get to meet a 3rd motovlogger. That'll be in a different video. Bad intersection here. I'll make sure I don't get hit. But yeah, I mean, it's just become so much more. I mean, you meet people, and you feel like you got friends for life, because I still stay in contact with those people and just check on them, see how they're doing, give them a phone call. Uh-oh, hang on. But yeah, like I said, it's just so much more, and I've really enjoyed it. And I know we're having a big meetup with other motovloggers next year over at Mr. G's. You've probably seen videos on that. And I plan on probably doing the Blue Ridge Parkway as well as part of that. And I'll probably meet even more motovloggers. So I don't know who all's going to be there, so I don't really know. Don't have a list. Just whoever shows up, right? But like I said, to summarize it, it was something that I just did for fun that turned into something more to allow me to meet, you know, great folks. And all I want to do is meet more people and pick their brain about doing this motovlog stuff. And hell, maybe we'll have like one video where it's a bunch of us in it. That would be awesome. But that's pretty much it. I still enjoy doing it. I plan on doing it for a long time, hopefully. I still got many years of riding. I got a long way before I ever even retire. But the other thing I wanted to talk about is I finally got some stickers. I saw everybody else was doing that. I was like, I might as well. It's just another way to communicate in a way, because, you know, just mail some stickers to somebody, maybe poker chips or whatever you want to send. And so I got some stickers, and I sent out I do have some mail. I got that's the other thing, I got a P.O. box, and that P.O. box is in the description of my recent videos. So if you want to swap stickers or poker chips or whatever, and I recently got some I actually got some mail. Need to do a mail call on that. But yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about there, is just you know, the stickers, and that I have them, and I'll definitely do some sticker swaps. I did send out my first mail for a sticker swap here the other day. I have not been on this road. Oh, fishing lake. Oh, check that out. So if you want to send some stickers, like I said, the P.O. box is in my description. I look forward to having them. I'll send you some too. I hope everybody has as nice weekend as I do. And if you don't, I hope you're able to enjoy it some way you can. And please like, share, and subscribe. And again, I appreciate everybody watching my videos. And always rip the ride.